Remove the pump assembly. Turn the pump upside down and loosen the flywheel bolt with the help of the spanner. Place the flywheel puller onto the flywheel as shown. Loose the M12 nut. Tighten the 3 M6 bolts onto the flywheel. Tighten the M12 bolt with the help of a spanner or plier to remove the flywheel. The flywheel is now removed from the main shaft. Remove the flywheel puller. Take the main shaft out of the post with the help of a soft hammer. Don't use a metal hammer, as it would damage the taper portion of the main shaft. After removal of the main shaft, turn the post upside down to remove the bearing inside the post. With the help of a screwdriver, remove the bearing inside the post as shown. Make sure you hit on the outer race of the bearing along the periphery. Apply some grease in the bore of the post and place the new bearing on the flywheel side of the post as shown. Tap the bearing with the help of a soft hammer as shown here. Make sure the bearing isn't projecting out of the post. Turn the post upside down and place the main shaft bearing. Then take a new main shaft, apply some grease inside the bore, and don't forget to place the sleeve before placing the main shaft into the post. Now tap the main shaft with the soft hammer. Make sure the bearing on the other sides are not coming out. Tap the main shaft until the two bearings of the main shaft go properly into the post. Make sure that the main shaft is rotating smoothly. Now place the flywheel back. Place the spring washer and flat washer onto the flywheel bolt and tighten it to the main shaft. Rotate the flywheel to verify that there is no wobbling. Now you're ready to place the pump assembly back.